Hello everybody, welcome back to another Gus's Gadgets review. Today we're going to be reviewing the SPEKS Teal Spectacularly Magnetic Balls. So on this package it has this what's inside. So it says 512 teal rare earth magnets, 16-page starter guide, metal building base plus splitter card, and a carrying case. So here it says mashable, smashable, buildable, grown-up fun. So without further ado, let's take a look at what's inside. Thank you. So here it comes in this. I'm going to leave those magnets there for the time being. But let's take a look at the other things that are included in this. Okay, so we've got this nice little SPEKS. Alright, so here is the box, and inside of this box we've got a carry case, so that's quite nice, and there's one more thing in here, a time to split, it says, the 16-page guide, and a piece of plastic. Alright, so I'm going to move all of these to one side and I'm going to open up the magnets. Okay, so as you can see, they are not in a cube anymore.
One eternity later.
Alright, so I've been playing around with these magnets a little longer than I'd like to admit, but I think I have found something really quite cool. So, if I carefully hold it, this tube of magnets, and what you can do on one end is you can actually unroll it like this. And then to put it back together, you just roll them along. Let's take a look at what comes inside. So obviously it comes with the magnets. Comes with this nice metal building pad, it's called. So it's magnetic, so you can build on it. Comes with this splitter card, so you just do this and you can split what you want. It comes with this beginner's guide, so it says basics and it teaches you how to build different things, and it's quite cool. And of course it comes with a nice carry case. So you can just, if I just make these all like this, you can just put them all in the carry case, like this, so that way they're safe and won't get dirty or you can't really lose them. If you've made it this far, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.